One of our Blades helicopter. Blades are a fantastic brand. They really are quality. This helicopter has been designed to fly outdoors. Will fly indoors as well if you've got enough room, but this copes with the outdoor wind beautifully. This is a back garden open field helicopter. Still 3-channel, makes it very simple to fly. Let's open it up and take a look. Manual with spare parts just like blades, couplings, undercarriage. You really won't need this. This is a very strong helicopter, but it's nice to know you can get the parts if you need to. There's the helicopter. Great design, all metal, flexible undercarriage, you know, really good quality. All the Blade stuff is second to none for quality, beautiful stuff. See what else is in the box. Nice controller, 3-channel. The throttle stays in place, so when you get to the right height you can just let go and just steer with this, forwards, backwards, left and right, and forwards and left and right stick. Aerial just slots in the top here. Screw it in, finger tight. You get a set of spare blades. The blades won't actually break, they are designed to just fold back if they hit things, but if you do have a bad hit you may get some dents along the front edge here. If you get a lot of dents in the front edge of the blades, it will affect the flying, so it's good just to change them over, and it is just a simple screw just here on each blade to put them in. If you do replace the blades, just remember, don't do them too tight. They are supposed to be loose like this. UK mains charger, plugged it into the wall, and this goes actually into the battery. I'll show you. So this lead here coming out of the helicopter is for the battery. It plugs in. You really have to struggle to plug it the wrong way, so it does go only one way, but just be careful that you do plug it in the right way. Great helicopter, beautifully made, blades, really good quality. So that's the Blades, the G Blades Max, designed for outdoor flights, but will fly indoors if you have enough room.